Hi guys, so today I'm going to share to you my AOS timeline. A few of you asking me, message me for my AOS timeline, so here it is. So August 1, we submit our packet to the USCIS. I fill out the form I-485 for the green card and I-765 for the employment authorization or the working permit. So August 5, USCIS received our packet. And then August 8, guys, USCIS scheduled my biometric appointment. August 27 is my biometric appointment day. So for the biometric, guys, less than 10 minutes and you're done. It's very easy. Just make sure you have a good photo because that photo, they're going to use that for your green card, okay? September 3, guys, USCIS scheduled for my interview. And then October 21st is my interview day. For interview, guys, we wait for a long time because their system is down. But the interview is very smooth. They ask a couple of questions and basic questions only. I will make a video on that also. What are the questions? On that same day interview, guys, the officer approved us. October 22, guys, when I check my status online, it says case was approved. And then October 29, guys, card was produced. Then I received my green card, guys, November 1st of 2025. So total of 3 months, guys, from the day we submit our packet and up to the day that I have my green card on hand. So that's it. So again, it's case-to-case basis also. It depends on the states. We submit our packet in Chicago and we're living here in Pennsylvania, so it depends where state you live, guys. Okay, so that's it. That's all for our AOS timeline.